We're going to talk about external hemorrhoids as well as treatment options. What is an external hemorrhoid? It's an inflamed or irritated vein that's located on the outside of the anal opening. The location is what determines whether your hemorrhoid is external or internal. There are several causes, several factors that lead to the causes of external hemorrhoids. Constipation is the most common one. If you are constipated and straining to move stool, if you're not able to cleanse the waste out through your bowels, then that adds a lot of pressure to your veins, which leads to hemorrhoids. Poor blood circulation is another cause. If your blood's not circulating properly, you're not circulating the waste out of your system, then it leads to developing home on the inner side of your veins, which basically builds up and causes them to become inflamed. But also, if your blood's not circulating properly, you're not getting the nutrition and the oxygen throughout your body like you need to be. Therefore, you become someone with weakened veins, which is the next reason. Weakened veins could be hereditary, it could be from several reasons, but whatever the reason, if you have weakened veins, they can lead to external hemorrhoids. Inflammation also is a factor in external hemorrhoids that needs to be addressed, along with lack of nutrition. If your body's not receiving the proper amount of nutrition, it can't be expected to heal itself. So how do you treat it? There is a common misconception out there that external hemorrhoids have to be treated externally, using something like an ointment or a cream. Instead, they should in fact be treated internally, because you need to get to the root of the problem, and the root of the problem is inside of your body, where your blood's not circulating properly and your veins are weak. These kinds of problems, your lack of nutrition, they need to be treated internally. Once your inside is healed, your outside will be too. But when people choose external treatments such as ointments or creams, they're really just smothering the symptoms by numbing the pain. This is a very short-term type of treatment and will not really give you any kind of relief in the long term. So definitely look for something that can treat you internally and get to the root of your problem. An external hemorrhoid treatment that you take internally should give you relief. I would suggest an ingredient called witch hazel. It's a natural herb, and it's a soothing anti-inflammatory. You also should have a treatment that strengthens your veins. There are two really good herbs or natural ingredients that I would suggest. Stone root is a relatively newer one out there today, but it's just wonderful for your veins, and also white oak bark. White oak bark helps to strengthen your veins, but it also has some soothing effects as well. You should get a treatment that increases your circulatory system. We talked about how important the circulatory system is. Butcher's broom and cayenne are two wonderful, potent, natural herbs that are really good for your circulatory system. You also will want one that cleanses your blood and bowels. Ginger and cayenne are two wonderful natural cleansers for your entire body, blood and bowels, and can really help you get well on your way to being hemorrhoid-free. You can get a remedy that actually has all of those ingredients ready for you at hemorrhoidharry.com. That's www.hemorrhoidharry.com. Hemorrhoidharry.com has a lot of free information. They've got a huge blog with all things hemorrhoid related. They've got a question and answer section. They've got customer testimonials. Just a whole lot of stuff there for you, a lot of resources you can use. Go check them out, see if they'll work for you, and definitely best of luck with your situation.